Okay, so for question 9, we're told that y equals x cubed over 3 minus ax squared plus bx. And we're told that it's turning values, or for want of a better phrase, probably we're better understand that as stationary points when x is 3 and when x is 5. Okay, now in 9a, it's asking us just to work out what dy by dx is. And again, it's probably helpful for you to think about x to the power of 3 over 3 as a third of x, okay? And then you've got minus ax squared plus bx. Now, a and b would normally be numbers, so let's just pretend they are numbers, okay, and think about what would happen when you differentiate. So I'm not going to differentiate the first term, but when you differentiate minus ax squared, the 2 would come down, remember, so you'll have minus 2 times a, so that's just 2a, to the power times x, sorry, and then take 1 away from the power would be the power 1. So although it looks a little bit different because you've got the 2 letters, the 2a just means 2 times a, remember, so treat it as if it would be that, and hopefully you'll be able to finish differentiating the rest of that. Part B then asks to write down. Now, write down in maths always means that it's quite straightforward, okay, and you've not got a lot of work to do. Write down the value of dy by dx when x is 3 and x is 5. Now, the 3 and the 5 aren't really actually important here, okay? What is important is that they are stationary points. Now, what do you know about stationary points and the value of dy by dx? Okay, so have a little think about that and you'll hopefully be able to answer that question. And then in C, using what you've just worked out in B and using what you've just worked out in A, this is the point where you're going to substitute in x equals 3 to your equation, knowing that you now have a value for dy by dx. Okay, and you're going to do the same for x equals 5. And what it should give you is it should give you 2 simultaneous equations that you can solve. So that would be how to tackle question 9. Again, if you're not sure, let me know and I can add a little bit more into that, but I don't want to give it all away in one step.